Caring for your freeze miser, some folks may have a lot of hard water scaling in their water, or some impurities in your water. This particular freeze miser has been sitting on this faucet, and you can see I have a new one here, and you can kind of see the difference in colorization of the freeze miser. There's a little bit of buildup in there, but not much. And you can see on the ends of a new one versus an older one, and you have some of this black stuff on the side of the brass. That is no issue whatsoever. I mean, that's fine. That's part of it. Part of your water draining down the brass, so that doesn't affect anything. And the ports for the drip for the freeze miser are at the top here. So really, the only thing you want to look at is if there's any corrosion buildup in here. If that's the case, simply get you some vinegar, not this particular brand, but any type of vinegar. Pour it in here, and get you a sponge and to clean that out, and you should be good to go. But if you do have a lot of scaling, and you have it on maybe a float valve on a water trough or on your faucet, maybe once a month, turn your water off and take it off and just look at it and see if you have any buildup. If that's the case, just simply clean it and then reinstall it back on your faucet and turn the water on, and you're good to go. If you should happen to have it stopped up, or if something you don't think it's opening, simply take the freeze miser and go put it back in your freezer for about an hour, and what it'll do is it'll freeze that rod completely open, and you can take it once it's completely frozen open, screw it onto your faucet and turn the water on and let it water flow through it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it shuts off, and you're good to go. That's really all there is to it. Thanks.